Question 9 on the non-calculator paper. Here are some fractions. Part A, which two of the fractions are not equivalent to a quarter? Are not equivalent to a quarter. So that means which are not the same as a quarter. So let's look at each fraction and see if we can simplify. 2/8, we can divide the top and bottom by 2, so that would be a quarter. 3/10 can't be simplified. 4/16, divide the top and bottom by 4, so 1/4. 5/20, divide the top and the bottom by 5, that's the same as a quarter. 8/24, divide the top and bottom by 8, that's 1/3. Okay, so we can see that not equivalent to a quarter, 3/10 and 8/24, so 3/10 and 8/24. Okay, part B. We can see that part B is an asterisk question, which means that you've got to explain your answer clearly. So here are two fractions, 3/5 and 2/3. Explain which is the larger fraction. If they give you a grid, the best way of doing this is to do two rectangles, and I'm going to make the rectangles 5 by 3, and I'll explain, it'll come clear in a minute. So two rectangles 5 by 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3, that's 1. And I'm going to draw another rectangle 5 by 3. Okay, so if we look at the first rectangle, I'm going to shade in 3/5. So that's 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. Then in the second rectangle, I'm going to shade in 2/3. That's 1/3 and 2/3. So I've shaded in 2/3 there. You can see by making the rectangle 5 by 3 for each one, you can shade in easily these fractions. So explain which is the larger fraction. All we need to do is see how many squares are shaded here. So that's 9. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 squares shaded there. So which fractions are larger? Obviously 2/3. So make sure you write a sentence, 2/3 is the larger fraction.